Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2013 Ford Explorer Sport. Under the hood we have a 3.5-liter V6 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in black. It looks great. You got that Ford badging up front there with your projector-style headlights and your fog lights down there as well. Coming around the side here, we do have our Bridgestone brand tires, 18-inch rims. They look great. You do also have your heated exterior mirrors with the turning signals on them right there. And coming all the way around to the back of the vehicle, you got the EcoBoost 4-wheel drive badging, as well as the Ford, the Sport, and the Explorer. You got your backup camera right there and your parking sensors down there. Open it up right here. Automatic open. Opens all by itself. Very nice if you need it. Looks great back here. Lots and lots of room. Now these seats do fold down as well. So all you gotta do is follow the instructions. So you pull this one. Then you pull this one and fold that forward just like that. Then you pull the red one or the black one and you fold this down just like that into the floor, and then you got even more room. You can do the same with the other side there. Okay, we have our keys here. We got two presses there to use the remote start. You got your lock, your unlock. You also have that one to open up the back, and your panic there. It does also have the proximity button, so you just gotta put your hand there. We'll unlock for you. And on the inside here, we do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all right here. Got seat memory here as well, a handle, another handle there, and some storage down there. Looks great in here as well. The leather seats are very comfortable. You do also have these guys here for your seats, so backward, forward, tilt, and lumbar support. And then over here, we do have the controls of the lights, so we have the off, the daytime running lights, low beams, and auto, as well as your fog lights, in-cabin light control here, and then down here you got your tow and the button to open up the back, and then up here you do have the control of your high beams and turning signals. Okay, let's start up. Foot on the brake, press the button, starts right up for us. Now in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. We also have on the sides here, we have our distance till empty. You can change your display mode to all sorts of different things, like your trip, fuel economy, your settings, your information. And on the other side you do have your entertainment, so your Sirius XM and all those different guys. You can switch them around through there. You also have your phone, navigation, and your climate. You can access that all from your steering wheel here and here, plus you have your cruise control options and your seek, volume, and Bluetooth options right there. Back there we do have our windshield wipers, and then in the center you do have your touch screen display. So you got your phone options up there, your navigation options over there, you got your entertainment just over here. So you do have your AM, FM, Sirius XM, CD, USB. You also have your Bluetooth, your SD card, and your AV. You do have a dual climate system over here for you and your passengers, so you can have different levels of hot or cold. As well, you do have your heated seats and your AC seats as well. When you are in reverse, you got the ever useful backup camera, keeping you nice and safe. And then down here you do have your CD player, your eject, you have your hazard lights there, you have your defrosts, your auto, your climate, your temperature here, as well as the power. And then you do have your volume up and down with the tuners and the sound and source, as well as the AC, circulation, and the dual climate. You got this guy here, just press the button, it opens right up for us. You do have some plugins just down there. You have your cup holders here, your terrain selector there, and then you do also have your armrest, doubles as a storage container. Lots of room in there. And then we do have a locking glove box just over here with our owner's manual inside of it. And then up top you do have the control over your sunroof, your universal garage door opener right there, and your sunglass holder right there. And there is our sunroofs. They look great. Let's take a look in the back. Open this guy up. On the door you have that same chrome accenting on the handle, control over your windows, handle here, and some storage. Looks great back here as well. Very spacious. You can seat 7 people all together. You can fold this guy down right here. You do have an armrest with some cup holders. As well, you got your climate control right there. And you can fold those seats down just like this. Then you do have access to right back there, and they do have some cup holders as well. And there's our 3.5-liter V6 engine. Well, that does it for my walk-around video of the 2013 Ford Explorer Sport. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.